Hi friends, the state Kerala is a very small state in India, but this small state is the most popular tourist destination of the country. It's known for its beaches, backwaters, mountain ranges and several natural beauties, and hence it is called God's own country. Well, if you observe the people of Kerala, almost all of them have very thick and long hair. They have the best and healthy hair compared to any states in India. One important reason is that Keralites use a lot of coconut. Coconut in food, coconut oil as cooking oil, coconut oil as hair oil, coconut oil for medical and health benefits, coconut oil for several cultural uses. In fact, coconut is inseparable part of their livelihood. The other reason is found to be their hair care habits. Besides applying coconut oil 6 days a week, they also use a secret herbal mix called Kerala Thali, which gives their hair a lot of shine, health, and helps them to grow longer and thicker hair. This not only prevents grey hair but also treats premature baldness. Let us see how to make this Kerala Thali instantly with all instant ingredients and still get the same benefits. For this we need 8 ingredients. These are critical for Kerala Thali. Number 1. Hibiscus leaves powder. Hibiscus has exceptional properties to prevent premature balding and provides thicker hair. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds powder. Fenugreek seeds helps in smoothing hair, making it soft and silky, prevents baldness and hair thinning. Number 3. Dried curry leaves powder. Curry leaves prevent grey hair and baldness. You can easily make this at home by drying fresh curry leaves and grinding them into powder. Tulsi leaves powder. Tulsi is also called as holy basil plant. Tulsi leaves strengthen hair from roots and stops hair loss. Number 5. Moringa powder. Moringa provides protein and antioxidants required for the strength of hair and contributes to longer, thicker hair. Number 6. Neem powder. Neem provides cleaner scalp, removes dandruff, itching, and helps in seborrheic dermatitis condition. Number 7. Flax seeds. These omega-3 and vitamin E rich seeds promote healthy scalp and reduces free radical damage. Amla. This superfood controls hair fall, acts as natural conditioner, and provides healthy scalp. We are taking all ready-made instant powders so that the process is faster. Otherwise, getting fresh ingredients, drying and grinding may take up to 1 week. Take these ingredients in the following ratios: 2 tablespoons of hibiscus powder, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder, 2 tablespoons of curry leaves powder, 2 tablespoons of tulsi powder, 1 tablespoon of moringa powder, 1 tablespoon of neem powder, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder, and 1 tablespoon of amla powder. Mix all of them together. Store it in a steel, copper, wooden or glass container. That's all. Kerala Thali is ready. How to apply this to the hair? Usually, apply your favorite oil to hair before going to bed. In the morning, take required amount of this Kerala Thali powder and add a little yogurt or curd to get a desired consistency. Mix it well to form a nice paste and let it soak for 15 minutes. After that, apply this paste all over the hair and scalp. Leave it on the hair for 30 minutes and then wash away with mild shampoo or herbal shampoo. That's all. This Kerala Thali is made instantly and can be stored up to 6 months. You can use this hair pack regularly twice or thrice a week. This helps to prevent baldness, graying of hair and promotes thicker, longer and healthy hair. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.